Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to put dark theme on Instagram PC. So if you want to turn or if you want to change your appearance or switch this to dark theme, then all you have to do is of course open your Instagram, go to Instagram and then log in your account here on your PC. Make sure that you're logged into your correct account, and once you're logged in here to your PC, what you're going to do is you have to go to the left side, and then this time you have to scroll down and look for this three lines right here. You can now click this three lines and you will see different options. So one of the options here on three lines is this, what we call switch appearance. If you tap this, then you will see the option of switch appearance, and all you have to do is to toggle or turn this one on, and it will put your theme into dark theme here on your Instagram PC. Don't worry, if you want to put it back to light mode, you just have to turn off or toggle off. And basically, that's it. You can just change it anytime you want. Now, there's an advantage of putting your theme into dark mode on Instagram. So basically, the advantage is for better accessibility. Sometimes people with light sensitivity or visual impairments may find dark mode more comfortable. It also reduces glare and screen brightness, and it helps you focus more on the content than the interface. It feels clearer, more professional, easier on your eyes, especially at night or dim environment. And it is said to be lesser harsh than bright white backgrounds. So basically, that's how easy it is. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.